వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం సీటెట్ 2019 డిసెంబర్ మోడల్ పేపర్లోని చైల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ పెడగాగికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఆన్సర్ కీని చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, అకార్డింగ్ టు జీన్ పియాజెట్, చిల్డ్రన్ ఆప్షన్ 1 యాక్టివ్లీ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ యాజ్ దే మనిపులేట్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ ద వరల్డ్. ఆప్షన్ 2 లెర్న్ బై అబ్జర్వింగ్ అదర్స్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఏ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషనల్ లెర్నింగ్. Option 3 can be conditioned to behave in particular way by carefully controlled stimulus response associations. Option 4 can be taught to behave and learn in specific manner using principles of rewards and punishment. Right answer is option 1. According to Jean Piaget, children actively construct as they manipulate, explore the world. Right answer is option 1. Next question, second question. There are individual variations in the rate of motor development, yet the sequence of motor development is from dash to dash. Option 1 cephalocaudal, proximal. Option 2 proximal, cephalocaudal. Option 3 gross motor development, fine motor development. Option 4 fine motor development and gross motor development. Right answer is option 3, gross motor development to fine motor development. Sequence of motor development is gross motor development to fine motor development. Right answer is option 3. Next question number 3. The period that initiates the transition to adult is option 1 adolescence, option 2 middle childhood, option 3 pre-operational period, option 4 end childhood. Right answer is option 1 adolescence. Next question number 4. A child argues that Hinge shouldn't steal the drug medicine that can save his wife because he will caught and sent to jail if he does so. According to Kohlberg, which stage of moral understanding does the child fall under? Right answer is option 3, punishment and obedience orientation. Next question number 5. Lev Vygotsky refers to the verbal dialogues that children have with themselves. Option 1 egocentric speech, option 2 private speech, option 3 distorted speech, option 4 problematic speech. Right answer is option 2 private speech. Next question number 6. Associating toys, articles, clothing, household items, occupations and colors with specific sex is a demonstration of. Right answer is option 2, gender stereotype. Next question number 7. In an elementary classroom, it is important to dash the experience that child bring with her. Right answer is option 4, build on the experiences that child brings with her. Question number 8. A teacher should, teacher తప్పకుండా చేయాల్సింది. Option 1 maximize comparisons among the students. Option 2 promote students belong to certain cultures. Option 3 ignore the culture differences and diversities among the students. Option 4 communicates that she respects all values, all cultures in the classroom. Right answer is option 4, communicate that she respects and values all culture in the classroom. Teacher తప్పకుండా చేయాల్సింది. Next question number 9. Which of the following construct does Right to Education Act 2009 advocate? Right answer is inclusive education. Next question number 10. Dash is the philosophy that all children have right to get equal education in regular school system. Right to get equal education in regular school system. Right answer is option 1, inclusion. Inclusion is the philosophy that all children have right to get equal education in regular school system. Question number 11. Which of the following represent the correct matching of children in column A with their primary characteristics in column B? Column A and column B. Column A, gifted, learning disability, creative, attention deficit, hyperactive disorder. Option A, lacks reading fluency. Option B, can think of original solutions. Option C, tendency to get distracted easily. Option D, ability to learn quickly and independency. Right answer is option 2. 1 is D and 2 is A. Gifted children is ability to learn quickly and independency. Learning disability, lack of reading fluency. Creative children can think of original solutions. ADHD is tendency to get distracted easily. Right answer is option 2. Next question number 12. Children learn effectively when? Children ఎప్పుడు ఎఫెక్టివ్గా నేర్చుకుంటారు? Right answer is option 4. They actively participate in different activities. Different activitiesలో వాళ్ళు యాక్టివ్గా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎఫెక్టివ్గా నేర్చుకుంటారు. Next question number 13. Children should dash questions in the class. Children should dash questions to the class. Right answer is option 1. Be encouraged to ask. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a key process through which meaningful learning occurs? Not a key process through meaningful learning. Meaningful learning ki not a key process అన్నాడు. అంటే రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ 1. మెమరైజేషన్ అండ్ రీకాల్. Question number 15. When teachers have positive beliefs about students' their abilities, the students, right answer is option 1, are eager and motivated to learn. Question number 16. Children's errors, right answer is option 3, are the part of learning and given insight into their thinking. Next question number 17. Assessment అనగా option 1 should be undertaken a separate activity. Option 1 should be undertaken as separate activity. Option 2 should be a part of teaching learning process. Option 3 should be done only in term of marks. Option 4 should be based on objective type of written works. Right answer is option 2, should be a part of teaching learning process. Question number 18. In constructivist frame, learning is option 1, active and social in its character. Right answer is option 1. Question number 19. What principle does the following highlights? Students who do not perform well feel that they are not good enough and feel demotivated. They are then likely to give up easily without trying, persisting in doing tasks. Right answer is option 1. Cognition and emotions are not separable. Question number 20. Teacher can encourage the children to become effective problem solver by. Option 4 is right answer. Encouraging children to make intuitive guesses and look at manipulative solutions to the problems. Right answer is option 4. Next question number 21. Use of methods where learners' own initiative and efforts are involved in the example is learner-centered method. Question number 22. Which of the following statements about intelligence is correct? Right answer is option 4. Intelligence is multidimensional, involving several abilities not entirely measurable by the intelligence test. Question number 23. Which of the following is primary socializing agency? Primary socializing agency is family. Option 1 is right answer. Question number 24. The major proposition of Jean Piaget theory is that. Option 4 is right answer. Children thinking is qualitatively different from the adults. Question number 25. Gender is social construct. Question number 26. Which of the following correctly identify the board domains of development? Right answer is option 1. Physical, cognitive, social and emotional. Question number 27. Which of the following statements regarding to children and their learning is correct? Right answer is option 1. All children are naturally motivated to learn and are capable of learning. Option 1 is right answer. Question number 28. In progressive education, children are seen as option 1. Right answer is option 3. Active explorers. In progressive education, children are active explorers. Question number 29. According to Lev Vygotsky, learning is a social activity. Option 1 is right answer. Question number 30. Which of the following characterizes a child in the pre-operational stage? Right answer is irreversibility of thought. Pre-operational stage is 2 to 7 years. So, the child pre-operational stage characters are irreversibility and egocentric. The right answer is option 4, irreversibility of thought.